Hey, all right, guys. Yeah, so wanted to just do a high level, walkthrough of the tech stack being used for the application that we're currently building. So it's a mobile app, and so we're using React Native. And React Native allows us to have one code base. We're building in essentially React, and that allows us to deploy to both Android and iOS. And we want to go, the market to with both Android and iOS. From a login perspective, we're using Google Auth and Apple Auth. So we don't have to manage login. We're going to rely on some trusted services for that. Our backend is built in Spring Boot. And then from that perspective, in terms of what our backend is speaking to, we have a Postgres database. And we, our data model, is in Postgres. We Part of our application, so we're connecting service providers with people who need those services. And one of the key things that we're doing though is we're providing basically a repository of service providers who have been screened and have been validated. So people who are looking for those services, they can feel confident that the service provider that they're getting, has gone through some type of verification process. And so we need a couple documents from the service providers for us to review and for us to approve. And so we're storing those documents in S3. And then we store the S3 key mapping in our database. Another thing that we have is notifications, and because we're in React Native, and we're also using Expo. So Expo provides there's a notification service, and so depending upon the event that we're processing in our backend, we call and send a notification. We call it Expo notifications service to send notifications to our